Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to do some ground meat today. You can use beef, or like me, you could use lamb, entirely up to you. It's very, very simple. So I've got 3 cups of ground meat, 2 cups of tomato and 1 cup of onion. I'm using coconut oil. We're just going to melt that in and then add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just a minute or so. Then we're going to put in the chopped onion, which I've cut really small, by the way, and we're going to go for about 4 minutes. Stir fairly often. Beautiful stuff. Next up, we're going to go in with the meat of choice. Salt. And then we're going to go for about 5 minutes. You need to stir quite a lot now. Fabulous stuff, fabulous stuff. Okay, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. That's a 50-50 mix of the two. Fresh chili to taste. You can put as much or as little in as you like. Couple of minutes here. Then here we go. 1 teaspoon turmeric. 1 teaspoon coriander. 1 teaspoon chili, or maybe 2 actually. And 1 of cumin powder. Nice little mix there. Then goes in the 2 cups of fresh tomatoes. Try and use a nice ripe juicy tomato. You want those to really break down. Probably going to be another 5 minutes or so, again on this lively heat. You can see they've got some moisture now from the tomatoes. We're going to go in with 1 cup of peas. These were a frozen pea, and what I've done is I just washed them through with some water. 1 cup of water. I'm using cold water. And let's now go for 5 to 6 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Very, very easy, simple to make. A little bit of garam masala powder in just at the end. Check it for salt. Job done. Really, really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.